a super hot morning. It's barely 10 o'clock and it's already like 85 degrees. So yet again, we have another hot, scorching day. But I'm super excited because... where am I going? I'm going this way. I'm super excited because I am going to a car event. It's a Toys for Tots event through the Portland Motor Club. There's gonna be a lot of cars, food, music, all that good stuff. So that is where we are headed to today, and I'm super excited. So let's have ourselves a nice drive and go check it out.
We're here, we made it. I'm kind of late though, and so we got exiled to the back corner of the show, but that's okay. All right, let's go look at some cars. Holy moly, you guys, check out all of the cars. We've got old, new, domestic, import, exotics, super muscle, sports car, this, that, everything in between, race cars even. I have a feeling this is going to be a very good day. Check this thing out. I'm not sure this video is gonna do this. Oops, pardon me. This thing is huge. It's like 30 feet long. It's like 10 feet wide. And look what we got here. We've got a good old-fashioned Skyline with right-hand drive. Wait, is it right-hand drive? Yeah, that's right-hand drive. This is kind of unique. This is actually a bunch of layers of paint that have been stripped away, and all the colors you see are what remains of those old paint jobs. Alright, we're going to check the inside of this place out, partially to see what other cool cars are hiding around here, and also to escape the heat. Whoa, check this out. Look at this guy over here. And check out that guy over there. So over here we've got what I'm calling the Dodge room. These are all Dodges with maybe a couple or so exceptions, but old, new. This is very cool. I'm not sure I've ever seen this many old school Dodge cars all in one place. Holy moly, we got a huge storage room of all sorts of cars. We've got Lamborghinis and Ferraris over there, all sorts of stuff in the middle, including a fellow Viper. That's nice to see. These guys right here. So I believe, if I'm not mistaken, these are all membership cars in storage, while the other room I think was the owner's personal collection. I might be way off, but I think that's what I've heard. So these are members of the Portland Motor Club whose cars are in storage here, and wow, just look at all these things. Man, oh man, this is quite a gathering of cars. Nice Viper, nice Viper. Whew. And here we are outside again, where it is just an absolute firestorm of heat. It was warm inside, but out here is just absolutely crazy. So we heard some rumors that there are some race cars around the corner, so we are on the hunt to see if that's true. And what do you know, we got an old what was I trying to say? We've got ourselves an old Ford Mustang here. Then over here, we've got ourselves some kind of drag strip machine. I was gonna say it's cool to see how things look under the hood, but this isn't really a hood. It's just like a huge fake exterior car shell cover that, as you can see, kind of clamshells up completely off the entire vehicle. Well, it's that time of the day. Everybody's trying to head out. Alright, well, I guess I'm gonna get going myself. Excruciatingly friggin' hot. It was close to 100 degrees in the sun, so I'm sweating my off, probably sunburned severely. But in my opinion,
it.